So for this big vlog video, basically I go read some coronavirus memes. Subscribe button and don't let me have nothing.
Rush-Dem Vlogs.
Hello everyone.
WaGwaNious.
My name is Rush-Dem Rushawn. Coming to you again with another spectacular vlog video. So for this big vlog video, basically I go read some coronavirus memes and I go just give my opinions and comments on them. Alright guys, first one. CDC recommends also wearing a face mask on the back of the head in case corona attacks from the rear. Then basically I say it's my behind on the head too. In case coronavirus want to creep up behind, I don't know. Oregon police reminds residents, do not call 911 if you don't run out of toilet paper. Why them about the toilet paper they so hard? As far as me I read, diarrhea is not a symptom of coronavirus. Right now I feel like say yo, no can't use newspaper too. Trump said people are dying who have never died before. What kind of man this them putting on the White House, guys? Then basically I said because of the coronavirus, people who never dead before are dead now. That was that serious, guys. How does a Florida police force plan to stop coronavirus from spreading? Free meth test. Basically the police say, bring the meth come, I will test if it have coronavirus. They will catch the whole like cocaine them know. The reason why me always dip on in case. The people them over here crazy. Missouri sues televangelist Jim Baker for selling fake coronavirus cure. You know what is a televangelist? A televangelist supposed to preach the word of God. That pastor you're wicked. It is wrong, guys. When I say, yo, you know, for try to make your money, but come on now, he's a pastor. You know, no conscience. People already scared. Oh, Jesus. Pastor try to make money out of a coronavirus. So, what kind of man this? Yeah, idiot. Man calls coronavirus claim on a Jamaica flight as a joke. This idiot man basically go up on the plane, guys, and say yo, him a go prank everybody say him have coronavirus. Yeah, idiot. Him no know say Jamaicans don't play that. Like, of all of the planes them where you want do that crap on, you choose a Jamaican flight. I mean, no say. Him lucky say I just let them lock him up. That's all be though. Cause y'all know Jamaican people, you know. We just write it when they come on to their things. Alright guys, let's check out that meme here. Every time I feel a little tingle in my throat, is that you, Rona? Nah, I'm gonna lie still, you know. Since it's coronavirus thing, me kind of paranoid too, you know, yo. can't even sneeze. As you sneeze, everybody will look for you like. Oh God. But check out over there, guys. The lady have one brow bar face and her rubber gloves. Yeah, man. I guess if you not have a face mask, that can't work too. How could I cause this? No, sir. I lock my nose in there, yo. Coronavirus can't catch me. No, sir. Coronavirus can't go up in my nose, you know. Me lock this. Lock your nose, people. Lock your nose. Literally. Oh, Jesus. Yo. Oh, Jesus. This man basically put these shoes on his nose, guys. But this don't make no sense though. If the corona not kill him, the scent from the shoes must kill him. How could I cause this? That one I take the cake. Corona can't hold him. War this man go take a war with corona. The man protected from head to foot, guys. Alright guys, I'm really hoping you enjoyed that video as much as me enjoy making it for you. But before I go nowhere, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, leave a comment below. Them things are really important for help my channel grow.
Rush-Dem Vlogs.
Oh yeah, and before I go nowhere, remember to share. That's another way to show Rush-Dem that you care. The hygiene when you should know from basic school days. Yo,
Rush-Dem Vlogs.